This is an audiovisual representation of a study published in the Journal of Bone and Joint Surgery in 2019. Rotator cuff repair is a common orthopedic procedure used to treat full or partial thickness tears. In fact, up to 13% of individuals aged over 50 have a rotator cuff repair. The goal of this procedure is to decrease pain, increase range of motion, ROM, increase strength and endurance, and facilitate tendon-to-bone healing. Frequently, a sling is used to immobilize the shoulder after surgery. However, this immobilization has some side effects, such as muscle atrophy, joint stiffness, and pain. Rehab protocols emphasize that early shoulder motion shows a decrease in pain and stiffness and facilitates earlier return to activities. Given the negative effects of immobilization, a group of researchers conducted a study to determine whether the sling is needed. They randomly assigned 80 patients undergoing arthroscopic repair of an isolated full-thickness superior tear of small or medium size to sling and no-sling groups. The sling group wore a sling for the first 4 postoperative weeks, while the no-sling group wore no immobilizer. Patients in the no-sling group were not allowed to perform active abduction elevation, but otherwise, the postoperative rehabilitation protocols were identical for both groups. After 4 weeks, both groups were allowed to perform daily exercises. Ultrasound evaluation performed 6 months later revealed no significant differences between the groups in tendon thickness, bursitis, echogenicity, or repair integrity. However, the no-sling group showed a decrease in pain, improved functionality, and a greater early range of motion. 6 months after a rotator cuff repair, patients with small to medium tears have superior outcomes with no immobilization, as compared to 4 weeks in a sling.